Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw from PF online. If you're planning to withdraw your Provident Fund amount, you don't need to visit the office anymore. It can be done completely online through the EPFO portal, and here's how to do it. Firstly, open your browser and go to the official EPFO website. Enter your UAN and type in the CAPTCHA, then click Login. Once logged in, click the Manage tab and select KYC to check if your details are correct. This step is important because your KYC must be verified for PF withdrawal. Now go to the Online Services tab, then select Claim from 31, 19, and 10C. You'll see your personal and KYC information. Just enter the last 4 digits of your registered bank account and click Verify. You'll be asked to give an online understanding that your PF claim will be credited to your linked bank account. Just select Yes to proceed. Now click Proceed for online claim, and under I want to apply for, choose one of the following: full EPF settlement, EPF part withdrawal, and pension withdrawal. Select the correct purpose for your withdrawal and enter the amount required, then upload the scanned document if required. Your employer will need to approve the request. Once approved, the EPF withdrawal amount will be processed. Typically, the PF withdrawal amount is credited to your bank account within 15 to 20 days of applying. Thank you guys, and if this guide helped you, hit like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more finance and tech tutorials.